Discover how Isoftra transformed manufacturing with Jira Service Management in this captivating case study. Leveraging Jira Service Management in manufacturing, a case study. Introduction. In this case study, we'll delve into how a manufacturing company leveraged Jira Service Management, JSM, to optimize operations, boost customer satisfaction, and elevate asset management. Problem statement. Monaco grappled with two critical issues. Firstly, their customer service was overwhelmed with a high influx of daily tickets, spanning from complaints to queries. This overwhelming volume led to ticket mismanagement, slow responses, and dissatisfied customers. Secondly, their inefficient product tracking and asset management led to delayed maintenance and dissatisfied customers due to unresolved product-related issues. How Jira Service Management helped. Service Management provided Monaco with a powerful solution to their challenges. It allowed them to centralize customer service operation, efficiently manage and prioritize tickets, leading to quicker responses and improved asset management. Monaco utilized Jira Service Management's asset tracking to improve product management by keeping a detailed record of each sold product with a unique identifier, ensuring efficient tracking and management. Whenever a customer submitted a ticket related to a product, Monaco seamlessly linked it to the corresponding asset in Jira Service Management, JSM. This streamlined tracking and resolution of product-related issues, while also enabling effective scheduling and monitoring of asset maintenance, ultimately reducing complaints and enhancing customer satisfaction. Assets in Jira Service Management. The complete object graph was harnessed to construct a comprehensive visual map illustrating connections between various entities such as customers, employees, and customer tickets, providing a clear representation of their relationships and interactions. For example, if a customer raised a ticket about a product, the graph would show a link between the customer, the ticket, the employee handling the ticket, and the product, asset. This helped Monaco visualize the interactions and improve their understanding of their service process. Finding the right service provider. Finding the right service provider involves thorough research, evaluating their expertise, reputation, and compatibility with your needs. It's crucial to consider factors like experience, references, cost, and contractual terms to ensure a successful partnership that aligns with your objectives and expectation. Conclusion. In conclusion, the implementation of Jira Service Management enabled Monaco to transform their customer service and enhance product tracking, resulting in improved customer satisfaction. If you found this video informative, be sure to visit to our website, www.isoftra.com for more insightful content.